Just leaving 4 Mile Hut now. Bit of a late start, 10 a.m. But beautiful, glorious weather. Frosty night though. What a beautiful hut. Very artistic inside and out. Water just 50 metres away. The old burnt out hut ruins another 50 metres away a bit.
Just climbed up the little bump above the water source at 9 Mile Creek, which is very, very small in flow. Probably only 10 litres a minute at the most. Need to fill up there because it's at 10-15 kilometres before the next water.
That answer was too
We have sighted Happy Jack's hut, and we're probably only a quarter of the way down. Down the growth isn't all that. Happy Jack's hut for the night. Happy Jack's Creek just down from the hut. Beautiful crystal clear water. Happy's hut, sensational rebuild, beautifully fitted out inside, very comfortable, nice wooden table and two platform seats. Fireplace reportedly isn't crash hot, but very, very comfortable. Beautiful veranda to sit, catch the morning sunlight, and the water's only about 20 metres straight down in front of the hut. No issues with navigation in this part of the trip. There's a rather large target to follow ahead, Jagungal. Barney's Creek. Mackays Creek. This section of the Grey Mare Fire Trail runs right along the edge of the Kosciuszko National Park, whose boundary is just to our side. And as we turn towards the west, we have Farball Mountain across those plains. Out yonder we have Farball Mountain and Tabletop. Tabletop Creek, just below Mackays Hut, about 400 metres up the hill.
Hi honey, I'm home.
The second unnamed tributary of the Doubtful. We're approaching Doubtful Creek and we have views of Jackie's Lookout beyond. Damien crossing Doubtful Creek. Doubtful Creek. It's a good steady flow on Dogon Creek. It's a good flow on Dogon Creek. A great view of Jagungal across Hut Creek. A lunch stop at Kosciuszko's hut today. And a walking entry visit. Thank you, Dorman. At Kosciuszko's hut. Very comfortable in winter. Plenty of reading material. And the bedroom. Oh, that feels better. Good morning.
Good morning. Well, I'm naked.
The track to Jagungal is slightly overrun at the lower portions. The Easter full moon, a perfect time for a morning stroll up Mount Jagungal.
And then Paul.
Best deck chair I've been in for a long time. Tumut River. Downstream the Tumut River and rocky Bogong Hill. Looking back over the Tumut River from Strumbo Hill. Heading down from Smith's Lookout towards the Backflat Creek, and we have a grey mare hut sitting up on the other side to our right. Small side creek coming down beside grey mare hut. Walking down the ridge from Smith's Lookout. Grey Mare Hut water supply. Pass around at the door what? Bye bye, Grey Mare Hut. Hut, here we come. Trail to Valentines Hut, panning across the main range and the Grey Bear range. Duck Creek from the Valentines Fire Trail coming out of Valentines Hut. Duck Creek. Looking back down Duck Creek. Which creek's this, Manuel?
No.
The track above White's heading up to the rolling ground. Starting to look a little bit more alpine. On the granite peaks for a little explore. last night's campsite. It looks like our fine speller's gone.